Hello there, this is Irish Chippy and this is my growNglow channel. This year we had a very hot summer, so a lot of my chilies didn't do very well, so now I'm growing my second crop. These are super fast because the temperature at the moment is more suitable to chilies. It was just too hot in the summer. So on these ones here, we are not sure what they are, but they are very much like Brazilian starfish, or yes, Brazilian starfish, but they're much hotter. So over here they call them Thai pumpkin. They are 14 inches high already, and we have flowers, buds coming on them. They are exactly, yesterday they were exactly 9 weeks since I sowed the seeds. Now there you go, 9 weeks, and some of them are 14 inches high. There's a big one there as well, and most of them have buds on them. These chilies here, these were bought in the supermarket, and the seeds were from China, and some of them are round. I think they're ornamental. They're a bit longer. These ones here, I had one habanero mustard last year. The habanero mustard, there was a problem with it with the hot weather as well, and it died, but I saved one fruit off it. I've got 5 plants off it. They're reasonably healthy. And down here on the bottom row we have, these are scorpion. Now I showed the scorpion to you before in another video. Well, these are the plants. These are 7 weeks old. These were grown on July 3. We put the seeds down. And over here we have more of them over here. I moved this to the front of the house near the road because these ones here are the same. They're a little bit behind. Down here on the bottom we have these are 5 weeks, 5¼ weeks, just over 5, no, almost 6 weeks. Sorry, these are 6 weeks since I sowed the seed. These are Bhut Jolikia, or otherwise known as the ghost. And we got some compost up on the mountain, and they are thriving. Here's some waiting to get into bigger pots now as well, and I gave them away. And then last but not least are the little small ones I have over the other side. No, sorry, yeah, these are they're Bhut Jolikia. And these ones here are these little small ones. I'll show you them over here. It's very popular here in the Philippines now. It's a very hot chili. Now it's not super hot, but it's still a very hot. But look at the amount of fruits that come on it. They start off white. This one was purple at one stage, but I don't know what happened there. Maybe it was an F1 or something like that, and this is F2 or whatever. And these are just sinigang chilies. They don't do very well with me. Oh, I have some ghosts here. Look, okay. They're okay. They're not doing that well, but they're okay. This one is fruiting for a long time. This is Labuyo. We put the cage because the birds eat them. The rest of these are being pulled up. Oh, I have more ornamental ones down here. Expecting maybe I'll have fruits maybe in 2 weeks. Maybe not ripe, but I'll have fruits, because I did not top these because I was late sowing, so I didn't top them. But we don't get, the temperature is going down to about 24°C at night there last week, and that's great because they like a little bit of cooler weather rather than in the summer at 37°C. And the daytime today is only about 31, 32. So it doesn't get cold here at night time in general. So this is my chilies as they are, or hot peppers as they are, and it's a bit sunny even today. It's supposed to be rainy season. We didn't get very much rain. Our workshop is there. If there comes a typhoon, we'll all go in there, and we'll save the chilies anyway. And if you like this video, please do not hesitate to subscribe to our humble channel. Thank you for watching.